In this video, we'll dive into the top 15 best Mafia Turkish series that you absolutely must try. But before we embark on this thrilling journey, I need to share something urgent with you. We've faced multiple strikes from YouTube, and the situation is out of our hands. There's no clear way to resolve this, and the risk of losing everything we've built here is real. But I'm not giving up. I've created a backup channel called See the Sky 2.0, and the link is right there in the description and pinned in the comments. I need your support now more than ever. Please pause this video and subscribe to the new channel. It's the only way to ensure you don't miss out on the content we love sharing with you. Now, let's begin this video. Number 1. Eşkıya Dünyaya Hükümdar Olmaz, Bandits. Bandits follows Hicr Çakırbeyli, a powerful man who enters the mafia world after his brother's death. He begins producing weapons for the mafia but remains loyal to his country. The government offers him the position of mafia leader to stop selling weapons to enemies, but he refuses. His loyalty to his family and allies is tested as he faces dangerous schemes from the current mafia leader, Anil. His personal life is strained with his wife, Miriam, who tolerates his affair with Najli, but cannot accept her pregnancy. As Hicr navigates betrayal and power struggles, he must protect his family while maintaining his integrity in a perilous world. Bandits is a gripping Turkish drama with intense action, political themes, and strong characters. Fans praise its powerful story. Despite subtitle challenges, it's highly recommended for fans of action and drama. Number 2. Şeref Meselesi. Şeref Meselesi is the story about Yiğit and Emir, who are two brothers with different personalities. They move to Istanbul after a family tragedy and face challenges, including a robbery, that leads to their father's suicide. Yiğit chooses the underworld for revenge, while Emir opts for the legal path. After many years, both brothers fall for the same woman, Sibel, and complications arise when Yiğit involves Kubra in his revenge plan. Şeref Meselesi is a gripping Turkish series praised for its brilliant cast, intense storyline, and phenomenal performances by Kerem Bürsin. With elements of suspense, revenge, and complicated love triangles, it has garnered widespread acclaim as a must-watch drama. Number 3. Yüce. The series revolves around two central characters, Saliha and Cihangir, who are both emotionally wounded and disconnected from love. Saliha is a determined woman on a mission to take down a dangerous gang, while Cihangir is the ruthless leader of that very gang. Despite being on opposite sides, they unknowingly live in the same neighborhood, gathering clues about each other without realizing their connection. Their paths inevitably cross as they become both enemies and allies in an unfolding battle, yet remain unaware of their intertwined fates. As the story progresses, Saliha and Cihangir's lives become increasingly intertwined, with suspense, action, and moments of humor mixed into the otherwise tense narrative. However, despite the compelling plot and strong character development, the series ends abruptly, leaving many storylines unresolved and the viewer longing for closure. This unique series balances action, drama, and comedy but ultimately falters with a lack of proper resolution. Number 4. Kara Para Aşk. It is a fantastic love story of Omar, a dedicated and idealistic police officer, and Elif, a successful designer living in Italy, who returns to Istanbul to celebrate her birthday with her father. However, Omar and Elif's lives are unexpectedly converge when tragedy strikes. Omar's fiancée and Elif's father are killed together in a car, linking the two strangers in a mysterious crime. As Omar and Elif investigate, they unearth a connection to diamonds, sparking a reluctant partnership to solve the complex puzzle, where their paths intertwine in a dangerous dance of crime, deception, and the quest for justice. This is a fantastic series to watch, However, there are many repetitive scenes, but I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. Number 5. Kuzgun. Kuzgun is one of the best Turkish series. That is one of my favorite series ever. This Turkish series will hook you with its brilliant acting, gripping storyline, and soulful music. The complex character of Kuzgun, portrayed by Bariz Ardak, leaves a lasting impact as he seeks revenge for the past. While the first season shines as a masterpiece, the second season, though not bad, faces mixed opinions due to a shift in focus. Overall, Kuzgun offers a unique blend of drama, romance, and crime, leaving viewers hooked from start to finish. Kuzgun, an innocent 8-year-old, faces a tragic upheaval when his cop father is framed in a drug scandal. Forced to survive alone on the streets, he vows revenge. 20 years later, Kuzgun emerges as a determined adult seeking justice. He infiltrates Rifat's gang, using Dila, Rifat's daughter, to gain access. Their childhood love rekindles, but Kuzgun unveils his true identity, demanding his father's rightful share in the drug business. A tale of vengeance unfolds, as Kuzgun transforms into the perfect avenger with a plan to become the most powerful man in Istanbul. Number 6. Hudutsuz Sevda. Hudutsuz Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizvan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizvan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army, with the sole purpose of destroying Rizvan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies, as he works his way through Rizvan's criminal operations, including Rizvan's daughter Zeynep. Zeynep wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zeynep's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 7. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namik. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, James, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namik's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out by following the link given in the description section. Number 8. Gaddar. Gaddar's story revolves around Daghan, a soldier who returns to his home from the east, and he gets shocked to find his hometown transformed into chaos after 2 years of absence. His family is shattered, with his sister eloping, his brother involved in illegal activities, and his parents estranged. The love of his life, Aidan, is missing, and he learns about her infidelity, shattering his dreams of reconciliation. Offered a job by a mysterious manager, Daghan initially refuses, but is forced into a life of crime when his best friend Samet dies, leaving him with a debt to the director. Faced with the imminent danger to Samet's family, Daghan reluctantly becomes a hitman, plunging deeper into a brutal world where he must balance his own morality with the need to protect his loved ones. As the series unfolds, Daghan's journey becomes a tense exploration of love, loss, and the sacrifices made in the face of escalating danger. According to me, Gaddar is a great series to watch, which marks a compelling return for Çağatay Ulusoy, showcasing his versatile acting skills in a well-crafted storyline. The series successfully blends suspense, drama, and action, drawing its viewers in with its intense narrative and leaving them eager for more. Number 9. Ichide. Ichide or Insider follows Saap, a dedicated police academy student who is rejected from graduation due to his father's criminal past. After a year in prison, he emerges as an undercover cop, infiltrating mobster Sellil's organization. Meanwhile, Mert, another academy graduate, also works under Yusuf, hiding his allegiance to Sellil. Both unaware of each other's true identities, Saap and Mert navigate a dangerous game of cat and mouse, striving to expose the rat within their ranks while protecting their own secrets. As tensions rise and loyalties are tested, the lines between friend and foe blur in this thrilling tale of deception and betrayal. Ichide is a gripping masterpiece, weaving a complex web of loyalty and betrayal in a thrilling battle between good and evil. With impeccable acting and breathtaking plot twists, it keeps you on the edge of your seat from start to finish. A must-watch for anyone craving an adrenaline-fueled roller coaster ride of emotions and suspense. Prepare to be captivated like never before. Number 10. Adem Farah. My Name is Farah, or Adem Farah, is a story about Farah, an Iranian woman, lives in Istanbul illegally with her son. Despite having a medical degree, she works as a cleaning lady to support her son. Her son has a rare disease, and Farah strives to provide proper care and treatment for him. During her job, Farah witnesses a murder and becomes a target for the mafia. Tahir, a ruthless mafia member, offers her a chance to clean the crime scene but plans to kill her later. Farah manages to escape Tahir's clutches, but he discovers her location. Tahir faces a dilemma as he decides the fate of Farah and her child, ultimately leaving her alive under the condition of silence. Number 11. Ramo. The series tells the captivating tale of Ramo, inspired by a real person, who defies his superiors, diving into a world of family, justice, revenge, friendship, and love. Ramo is part of a gang involved in diesel fuel smuggling, working under the control of a powerful local family. Despite their efforts, they receive meager rewards. Ramo, driven by a desire for justice, rebels against the oppressive system, echoing his father's past actions. While he confronts not only his enemies but also his own family and friends, his deepest motivation lies in his personal wounds. His unwavering determination is further tested when he falls in love with Saibal, the daughter of his archenemy, adding a complex layer to his already tumultuous journey. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 12. Olni Kadar. The story follows Daghan, a determined young doctor, whose life takes a drastic turn when he is wrongly accused of murder and sentenced to life imprisonment due to false testimony. After 11 years, Selvi, a remorseful lawyer, reopens his case and helps prove his innocence. Upon release, Daghan seeks revenge against those who wronged him, determined to unveil the truth, even if it means endangering his loved ones. The narrative explores themes of justice, redemption, and the devastating consequences of wrongful convictions, portraying the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Olni Kadar is a riveting Turkish series, blending mystery, suspense, and romance seamlessly. Injan Akurek and Fahriye Agent deliver captivating performances, their chemistry enhancing the narrative's depth. The show's cinematic quality, coupled with an engrossing script, sets it apart from typical dramas. Despite acclaim for its stellar cast and direction, the abrupt ending leaves you wanting more closure. Nevertheless, it remains a standout production, marked by its outstanding storytelling and memorable characters. Number 13. Tetikçinin Oğlu. Tetikçinin Oğlu revolves around the intertwined lives of two longtime friends, Korkmaz and Iskender, played by Temuzin Esin and Şevket Koru respectively. The two friends have been close for 40 years. However, tragedy strikes when Iskender's son dies in an accident caused by Metin, the son of Korkmaz, whom he had lost 22 years ago, and had been searching for all this time. The central conflict of the series emerges from this incident. Iskender, grieving the loss of his son, confronts Korkmaz about Metin's actions that led to the accident. On the other hand, Korkmaz is forced to face the consequences of his son's actions and the pain he has caused to Iskender's family. Number 14. Ali Aslan Soykan, who's in charge of a big crime family in Istanbul, but he usually follows strict family rules from her mother. His mother psychologically makes Aslan follow her every order. But things change when Aslan meets a wonderful woman named Devin, who is a psychologist. Aslan falls in love with her. As they get closer, Devin can't help but notice the problems in Aslan's family and tries to help them with her psychology knowledge. But on the other hand, Aslan's mother don't want to lose her dominance over her family and tries to create hurdles in Devin's path. Can Devin fix Aslan's issues even though it's like being in a war zone? And can she deal with someone like Aslan, who's full of himself, while also dealing with his own problems? Watch this fantastic series to find out. Number 15. Sanyas. Sanyas is a captivating Turkish series that deftly balances drama, romance, and suspense. With well-developed characters and realistic relationships, the show hooks viewers from the start. This series follows Selim, an idealistic prosecutor, accepts a risky offer from a former mafia member to end organized crime in Istanbul, pledging to protect the man's son, Agun. Agun, entrenched in his father's dangerous world, struggles to accept his father's decision to become a witness. Meanwhile, Selim's neglected wife, Jana, seeks a divorce after 18 years of marriage and vows to pursue her own career. Their daughter, Yağmur, supports her mother's decision and resents her father's neglect. Selim's attempt to reconcile with Jana leads to a turbulent journey to Izmir, where their presence disrupts the family dynamic. Amidst these tensions, Agun and Yağmur find themselves drawn to each other, further complicating the situation. Even though the ending may leave some wanting more, Sanyas remains a must-watch for its gripping storyline and stellar cast. So that was the video, friends. And again, I am requesting you all to please subscribe my second channel. Its link will be given in the description.